afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more and Emerson's Adventures. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. My centerpiece, I did show you that yesterday in Cozy Corner or Vignette, but I have went in and added the pumpkin to the middle. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to light the candles and come back and I'll tell you how I have this all set up. Okay, now for the reveal, I have the candles all lit, and so I'm going to tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. Let's start with the centerpiece, the double loop is from Home Goods, and I went back and I added this pumpkin to the center of it. I did not have that in the center when I done the vignette, but I did go ahead and add the pumpkin to the center of the loop. It was from Kroger's. The vine was from Joann Fabric. The little pumpkins you see all around were from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. The beautiful gold candles were from, candlesticks were from the Goodwill, and the larger candle holders were from Home Goods. And what I've done, I've placed inside pumpkins. The table runner is beautiful. It was from the Goodwill. And again, I will say this is a very budget-friendly tablescape because that's what I do. I do not spend a lot on the dinnerware. So let's break it down and let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here. The silverware here was from Tuesday morning. The placemat was from Goodwill, and you can see it's ruffled around. and it has like a burlap look. The dinner plate was also a Goodwill find. The salad plate was an IKEA, which is also a Goodwill find. The napkin were from Goodwill. The napkin rings were also a Goodwill find, and the beautiful bows, another Goodwill find. So as I said, this is a very budget-friendly tablescape. The beautiful glasses with the leaves were from Goodwill. And if you look at the beautiful leaves on the glasses, they actually match the leaf in the garland. And on the side table here, I have added the garland with the vases and the candlesticks. That is my sofa table, but it also, you can see it here from the kitchenette. So I did go ahead and decorate it. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerston's Adventures for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information, you all, in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out their channel and all of the creators who are participating in Tablescape Tuesday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.